Here I have Realme Narzo N53, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So to do this you'll need this kind of tool, which might help you to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right here. So firstly we have to remove the cover, and we can find the slot now. So what you do is you put this tool inside the hole next to the slot, slightly press it, and the slot will pop out. So here you can eject your SD card, and here you have two slots for SIM cards. I assume that this one is the SIM 1 slot, so let's insert SIM 1 here. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. And there's also, to prove you that SD card is also detected, we have to go to some kind of files. Go to files, and now we can find SD card section here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.